first go across to Tausif Ahmed Khan. Can it get more clearer than this? Second list or the new OBC list on which the High Court has put a stay order now. And the last point in the observation where the court says this is a deliberate violation. Is this just for vote bank, Tausif Ahmed?
Swati, first of all, court has given an interim stay. So interim stay is different. Court has not heard the entire contentions of both the parties. There are directions on all sides to file their reply to the affidavit of oppositions. So that is first thing. Secondly, you see what is BJP doing in Bengal and what is BJP doing in other states. In Maharashtra, Odisha, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, I can give you the numbers. OBC list, 261 communities in Maharashtra are OBC according to central list. 200 in Odisha, 200 communities in Odisha are under OBC. In Karnataka it is 199, in Tamil Nadu 181, in Bihar 136. But in Bengal they are fighting. The existing list that classifies OBC communities are 66 classes under West Bengal. Why should it be only 66 in Bengal and then 261 in Maharashtra?
You know, Tausif, you
that
can
is the
bring in
hypocrisy
the
of
BJP later.
That is what they
You
want.
can bring in the
Each
BJP
state
later.
government-
If there are wrongdoings in the BJP
Swati,
state, it should be... No, let me finish my point, Tausif. I'm saying you can bring in the BJP later and ask questions of the BJP. And if there are wrongdoings happening in the BJP rule state, they should also be taken to court, and let's see what the courts say. But respond to the question that I'm asking you about the scathing observations where the court says that the same classes that were struck down by this very court have been introduced again, and even before the court can take note of what the commission has done.
Look, what court has before it is a result of the survey conducted by a commission, which is a statutory body, an independent body, following the guidelines which are set by the court itself. The parameters, the economic condition survey and everything is set by the court, which is followed by the commission, and therefore the result of it is now, which has been challenged by
But
BJP.
the court is also saying this is a deliberate
BJP is playing
violation.
Politics over it. It is naturally, Swati, I'm not finished. Please, Swati, please do not interfere. See, the basic idea behind OBC classification is to identify the communities which are educationally and socially backward. Now, in Bengal, this very BJP says that more than 30% population is Muslim. So obviously, there will be Muslim communities found to be backward educationally and socially.
But the
so what
point
is this
that
fuss
they are
about?
raising is, why is it that most of them belong to only a particular community? That is the problem in the first list and the new list as well. And do not forget, Tausif, what the court said while striking down the old list. They said the people of the Muslim community are being used as a commodity. Now let me bring in Priyanka Tibrewal. Priyanka Tibrewal, Tausif Ahmed goes back to what is happening in the BJP rule states. They say, you have a problem in West Bengal because you're only interested in politics.
See, I will speak about West Bengal because the order here, which we are speaking about today, comes from the High Court here in West Bengal. Now, Tausif, and similarly we saw Mamata Banerjee, you know, whenever any kind of order comes where it is a setback for the government, they blatantly come and lie openly on the television, because Tausif was right when he said that, you know, backward classes. So these are these backward classes who Mamata Banerjee thinks are illiterate. That is why she tries to lie on the open television and says that this is just an interim order, nothing is final. No, it is an order where it has been openly said that this kind of appeasement, this kind of haste has been the nature of the West Bengal government. And why this appeasement? That is the vote bank politics. Nothing. See, this government thinks that they are above law. They are ignoring the orders. Now, he was saying, you know, that certain things was done by the High Court. No, all the notifications which the government had bought after the passing of this order, although the government feels that, you know, the orders which are passed by the High Court, they do not care for the orders and they pass notifications, all have been struck off. Not just that, initially also by the order, 77 communities and 37 under 2012 Act, when they had passed all that illegally, that was struck down. Now, certain things were declared in the order passed by the High Court, where they had said that if this kind of reintroduction has to be done in the OBC reservations, So they had stated that certain principles have to be followed.
Okay.
First was to build public consensus. Second was that furnish a detailed list. Most importantly, it was said that, specifying that which sections should qualify for OBC, giving reasons.
Right.
The government sat tight on it. They did nothing about it. Moreover, it was also said that you issue proper notifications and present the list before the Legislative Assembly, where it can be discussed and explanations can be given for inclusion and exclusion, giving reasons. The government didn't do anything as such, and they thought that they will work according to their own whims and fancies, and that is what exactly the High Court has stated today.
Okay.
That what was the haste?
Yes.
The haste was, we can see what
let me bring in
Tausif
Asif
was trying
Ansari.
to say.
Asif Ansari, BJP is saying this hot haste because elections are nearing.